Veteran Sergeant Matoris serves as a member of the Ultramarines chapter during the era Indomitus. The first Astartes to witness the potential of the young aspirant, Titus. The impression left by this indomitable prospect forever changed Matoris due to his uncanny ability to resist the lure of chaos. Mentoring Titus as he began his journey to become a fully fledged Space Marine, with time the two separated as Matoris' skills were needed to conduct special operations for his chapter. Rising to the rank of Veteran Sergeant after 2 centuries of service, Matoris underwent the Rubicon surgeries to transform from a firstborn Space Marine into a Primaris, his constitution and mastery of a blade suiting him to specialize as a Blade Guard veteran. Reunited with his protege, following his exploits made as a lieutenant of the Ultramarine 2nd Company, the Avengers of Ultramar, under advisement from Chaplain Leandros, Titus would be ordered by Chapter Master Marneus Calgar to aid Matoris alongside veteran brothers Ikaron and Levantus as they embarked to the world of Zahui. Designated as threat level Absolute, Chapter Command's projections of the squad's survival to complete the mission seemed minimal, yet the danger imposed by a Chaos Shrine in praise of the Changer of Ways was too potent to ignore. Deployed via drop pod insertion from an Ultramarine strike cruiser, the Blade Guard squad confronted the Chaos cultists on the surface as Lieutenant Titus dragged their valuable mission asset to the ritual site. Wary of Titus's brash actions made during the mission, though Matoris recognized his glories won during the recent campaigns made against the thralls of Tzeentch, he would nonetheless not endanger the mission on the altar of glory. Fighting past Chaos cultists and Zangors as they battled towards the Relic of Change, their deployment of a mission-critical Psyker via a null casket prevented the Shrine's most powerful guardian from harming the Space Marines. Knowing its claws and teeth to be insufficient in piercing the Astartes' armor, the demonic guardian targeted the Psyker to allow its fell manipulations of Matoris' squad. Turning their greatest fears against them, the Blade Guard's reliance on their constitution belied their weakness of the mind. Ikaron and Levantus falling, Matoris incurring a wound wrought by his dread that Titus may one day prove corruptible by the forces of chaos. As the demonic sorcerer attempted to combat Demetrian, his willpower proved indomitable. Its life ended by Titus as the bolter rounds held by it in stasis were freed of their constraint. Sundering the icon of the Lord of Change, its destruction allowed for the strike cruiser in orbit to target lock orbital bombardment to purge what remained of the cultist uprising. Dragged from the ritual site by Titus, the grievously wounded Matoris resigned himself to death. Yet his fearless scion refused to cease his slaughter as he charged into the lines of oncoming enemies. His fate unknown, following the purge of Zazui, it is presumed that his wounded form was retrieved alongside Titus by their kinsmen. His duty to fight in the name of the Emperor, not yet done.